Today is the day where things are gonna get a little hairy and we're gonna need the help from this bad boy right here. I'm almost sure we're gonna try and not use it, but mark my words, I guarantee we're gonna use it. If you ain't got one of these, I suggest you get one. This is an axle nut socket set. I've had this one for many years. I got it from Harbor Freight. If I remember right, I paid 70 or 80 bucks or something for them. They're not that expensive, guys. This thing has been through the ringer. I have used it every day of my automotive career. Highly recommend one of these. And don't forget, we want to thank Main Street Cycle for sponsoring this complete build. They are the ones that are sending us all the parts that we need for this build. So we got to thank them because they're working hard to get us everything that we need. There's a few things that we need, but we will get it and we'll get there. But for the time being, we got enough stuff. We can probably complete the front end in just the next couple of videos. And I want to remind you, make sure you're commenting on the videos because I'm going to randomly pick comments out of the videos to win free oil change kits for your machine, whether it's a U-Force, Z-Force, C-Force, whatever your machine is. Well, I'm going to randomly pick 3 winners, and Main Street Cycle is going to send those over to you as soon as we hit 7,000 subscribers. So the 7K giveaway is right around the corner. So make sure you're interacting with the videos and commenting on them because I'll be picking random comments from random videos to win. Without further ado, let's get started. Today we're going to be pulling the A-arms off and hopefully installing the new ones if we have enough time. So we better get to it before we run out of time. So first things first, we got to get this caliper off of here and then we got to pull these cotter keys. So let's get started doing that real quick. And remember, I always like to put my bolts back where I got them. Instead of leaving your nuts in your wife's purse, just put them back. That way you don't lose them and never get them back. That's just what we like to do. Now we're going to need a 10 millimeter socket or a wrench for this one right here. And we're just going to get this off of here. So now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get to these cotter keys right here and get them. I like to use wire cutters because it straightens them out nicely. That's just my preference. And then we'll come on the back side here, try and pull her out. Repeat step 1 2 other times. And then we'll be back and show you how to get these out of the knuckle the easy way. Alright, now we're going to need an 18 millimeter wrench. We're going to want to get that loose. Just like so. We're going to put that down here. Again, 18 millimeter wrench. Now that we got all of our nuts off, all you're really going to need is a snap-on hammer. If you ain't got a snap-on hammer, that's okay. Any other one will work. And then we're just going to take and whack this corner right here. There we go. Just like that, and we got lucky on that one. Now we're going to do the same down here. Just like that, guys. Okay? Now if you notice, I didn't take the castle nut out. I did that on purpose so we could hold this and have it up here. But now we're going to take that castle nut off. So what we're going to do, get our pliers, our wire cutters that I like to use. Straighten that puppy out just like so. Give her a couple of love taps. Bring it up here. You gotta play with it, finagle it a little bit. There we go. Got her out. Now we're gonna want a 32 millimeter. It is 32 millimeters. For the love of everybody asking me all the time. If you watch my videos, you'll learn this stuff. It's 32 millimeters. Thank you for watching. Click the thumbs up button. Now, for all the trolls out there that are going to tell me that you shouldn't use an ugga-dugga gun on an axle. Well, you know what? You do it your way. I'm going to do it my way. You want to work harder than me? That's fine. I'm not going to work that hard. There we have it. There we go. It's out of there. We're going to leave that axle in there until we're ready to take it out because it's going to leak fluid. And we're not ready for it yet. So our next step is to get this shock here loose and then get these bolts out. Now those of you who have been paying attention, what do? We put everything back where we got it. That helps keep track of it. Now me, I could throw it all in a pile and I'd remember where it went. But you may not be like that. So we're going to want to definitely put it all back where you got it. I really don't feel all that seized up, now does it? It's got a loose bolt. Definitely got loose bolts. Look at that loose bolt. Let's see if we can get it off of there and out of there. Well, we ain't going to get so lucky with those wrenches now, are we? We're going to need this puppy right here. This puppy right here is going to save you. Now, this is a Hercules. Did you hear me? That's a Hercules. You can find it at the Harbor Freight. I've had this thing for about 4 years now, and it's been just awesome. We've never had an issue with it, and it gets tossed and thrown out around here, and we even take it to the off-road parks and have loaned it out a few times. It's been a goer. So let's get one of these cutting wheels on her so we can cut them bolts out. We just need to do that there, and go there like that, and we're going to go like that, and we're going to tighten her up. And she ain't got to be super duper tight, but she got to be tight, and boom. There's a certain way you want to do this. You definitely want to do it on this head end of the bolt, not on the other side. You only need to cut one side, and that's going to be the head end on both bolts. Since we can't get them out, they seize in here. Now I do have a video showing you how to get these out of here after these are off the machine. You can check that out. It's the A-arm bushing video, which that's the video we did the bushings on that's going on this. So you want to cut them here, cut them right in the bushing. If you do it right, you won't even nick the machine. I'm hoping. This one's a little different. This one's a little different from my 800EX. It's got a lip here. But we want to go for this top one first. No, we're not going to be wearing the safety squints for these. We're going to be wearing the safety glasses, because this is going to be right in my face. guys, so that's how you get that out. I didn't cut the machine too bad. Just this lip right here and this lip right here. Nothing a welder can't fix and some paint can't fix. I'm not super mad about that. It is what it is. It's just part of the deal, part of life. We can clean that up and run a bead across there and we'll fix that. So yeah, it sucks, but it's part of what you got to go through, and actually nothing that a welder can't fix at all whatsoever. So we'll definitely be fixing it for you guys. We're going to want to remove that cover. On the 800EXs or the 1000s, you don't have to remove that cover, but on this one you actually do. So now we can full send it, and we got to not hit that diff. That I know was possible. There we go, and we didn't even touch the diff. There we go, just like so. Look at that, that's out of there. I changed my mind. Let's go ahead and get a couple welds on here. Now we'll be able to clean it off, paint it, and you'll never even know that it ever freaking happened. How's that? Can't beat that. Well, guys, I made an oopsie. Either A, I need these two bolts, but I need the longer bolts. I need two longer bolts for the lower control arm. I made an oopsie. I miscalculated. I thought I had the longer bolts, and I ordered the short ones, but I actually had the short ones and needed to order the long ones. These are left over from when I did my machine, and instead of having Main Street Cycle send me everything new over, I figured I would just use some of what I had on the shelf. So I made an oopsie, and we're at a point now where we could actually put these on, but I can't because I need two longer bolts. So instead of waiting on shipping and stuff, I'm just going to have her run over to Ziegler Nut and Bolt tomorrow, see if she can, and then we're going to get the, see if they have what we need. I'm going to send her with this and tell her, I just need them an inch longer. If they end up being too long, I can trim them, not a big deal, but I need them the same thing, just an inch longer. So that's my bad, but I thought I did order them. Maybe I didn't. I'd have to look back, but they're nowhere near around here. They wasn't in the parts pile for that thing, so I'm not sure. Probably just a mistake on my end. Oh, well, you'll live and learn. I really should have measured these before I ordered them, but I, for whatever reason, thought, it doesn't even matter. But alright, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you get over and check out Main Street Cycle. Not only can you get side-by-sides, ATVs, plus parts and accessories, but they also have other things for your kids like dirt bikes and four-wheelers, go-karts. They sell all kinds of stuff. Definitely go over and check them out. Check out their website. And there might be something on there that'd be on your Christmas wish list. You never know. So, alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. And in the next one, we'll get that side all put together, and then I'll work on the other side off of camera. That's just the way it's got to be, unfortunately. I'm sorry, guys. I was trying to have them, I have enough time. I was trying to have them installed, but I'll never get over to Ziegler Nut and Bolt before they close. They close in like 15 minutes, so it is what it is. All right, guys. Peace out, and God bless. See you in the next one.